All right, guys. So unfortunately, when I was recording this, the audio didn't come through. So I'm gonna do my best to try to voice over what I was trying to show you guys. But basically, I have my MacBook display mirrored onto the Apple Vision Pro, and what I was trying to show you is that you can pretty much move around that 4K screen that comes up, and it is actually in really it's really crisp when you're looking at it, but it actually is only crisp where your eyes are looking. And then obviously you can have other apps on the side, like that's my messages. You could open up a bunch of other apps if you wanted, like Safari on the left, whatever it is. That's the control panel. Um, you can so these are the apps that you can choose from that you can pretty much open up on the side. You could watch a movie if you wanted, put it on top of the screen. Um, it's really freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie, it's really cool. But yeah, so I just had Discord open and CapCut um, pretty much open on here. I was trying to like move the screen to make it the same size as the Apple Studio display, but I mean at that point, is it really worth using the Vision Pro? Right? You can make it a whole lot bigger. You can make it like the entire size of the wall if you wanted. But like I said, only where you're looking is where it's gonna be like actually like crystal clear. I guess it renders wherever your eyesight is, and but yeah. So just to show you here as well, you can move the screen away and pretty much just work from anywhere. Like anywhere you want to look, you can work from. And then obviously you could use a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse or whatever. You can make the screen bigger, make it smaller. And I'll kind of show you what it's like to type on it here. You could pretty much use your eyesight to just look at wherever and tap your fingers and it'll start typing. Um, but I prefer, so basically if you're connected to the Mac, you can see like you can also use your mouse to move around, but if I were to click on the messages, I can actually use my Mac to type like whatever message, which I thought was pretty cool, like a Bluetooth keyboard. But because it's connected to my Mac, it's already connected. Like I didn't Bluetooth connect the keyboard to the headset. It's just my keyboard was connected to the Mac and it's connected to the Pro, so you can use obviously the keyboard on the Mac to type. And I also thought that it was kind of cool that there's no like throughput lag. Like when you take a window and you like move it around, it doesn't lag to get to where it needs to go. Like I found that as an issue when I use like external displays on my Mac. So when I was showing you guys the screen, I had the messages on the right side. I had my Mac display there. You could also have like a million other screens on the left side, Safari, like Twitter, whatever you want, you can have open. I personally like to have just one screen, that minimalist display. Like even my Windows desktop, there's the ultra wide 49 inch. For the Mac, I use the Apple Studio display. I don't like having a bunch of different monitors, but the option is there if you wanted. Um, I also like, the messages app that I had. Like I'd prefer to just have the messages open on my iMac, on my Mac. That's just me. It's really cool. Definitely not the craziest like boost in productivity, but it definitely is cool. I love it.